Hello everyone, this is Jay Sharan and my project is J Smart Cool Air Conditioner. So let's see what are things we are going to see. First, problem explanation and existing solutions to the problem, budget comparison, features of the project, outline diagram of the device, logic code, future extensions. Problem explanation. Have you ever had this experience like sleeping by keeping your AC on, and at the end of the month you'll be given a large heavy electricity bill, and you'll be worrying about what to do and all. It happens in my home often, and I mostly forgot to switch off my AC because I'm sleeping with AC on leads to having cold in morning. Will be leading to having cold in morning, high electricity bill, dangerous for babies, and persons like me find it lazy to remote using switch power off using remote. And remotes are outdated in this smart world where everything can be where everything is automated, right? So let's see what we can do about it. Existing solutions and drawbacks. My AC has a sleep mode, which automatically switches the power off after a specific time period. But this is not comfortable for me because in in just 20 minutes, max 20 to 30 minutes, again my room becomes hot. So again I need to switch on the AC, and then again it'll be running for a specific period, and then it'll get turned off. Then it repeats. So this is not a proper solution which I expect. Smart air conditioner is there, Wi-Fi controlled mobile devices, but these are just like remotes. Just it can be used by a mobile application, and the main thing is that it can be used from anywhere. It can be used remotely. So no automation in this. Let's see what we can do about this. So for my project, this is the budget. I need a particle organ, 53 AUD, Raspberry Pi 75 AUD, DHT11 temperature sensor 8 AUD, IR receiver 3 AUD, and jumper wires, LEDs. Let me show you what are the features I'm going to add in my project. Basically, the air conditioner can be controlled by a mobile application or a GUI application which I'm going to create, and my particle organ will be monitoring the temperature every 20 minutes. Based on that, my Raspberry Pi will be sending IR signals to power on or off the AC, and night for a specific time period, say 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., the power will be automatically the AC will be in off mode, and in the end of the day, how much power I had consumed, like what is the duration of power consumption, and how much electricity is generated throughout the day. All those things I'll be getting a notification, and the same power on power off history will be generated as a chart, and you can see them in the Google Sheets. So let's see how it works. So we have a DHT11 temperature sensor. My particle orgon will be reading the temperature from the DHT11 sensor and send it to the ThingSpeak channel, and from ThingSpeak channel my Raspberry Pi will be reading the temperature, and then the code will be executed, that is temperature comparisons, when to power on, when to power off, all those things will be executed, and then based on that, based on the code, I will be sending IR signals as command to the IR receiver through IR receiver. And now this code and this IR receiver will be sending the details to my AC. Sorry, I forgot to include in this. And the same code will be sending me the power history, all the, whenever I power on, whenever I power off, all those details will be going to my Google Sheets, and from Google Sheets it will be moving to the overall power consumption data will be moving to Python Raspberry Pi. Then this power consumption history will be sent to IFTTT, and from IFTTT I'll be receiving notification to my Android mobile. So this is the entire process, how it works. System will be revolving around a particular temperature, but I can make some temperature adjustments in future, like in the same power on power off time, in between, whenever there is a need, the temperature should be adjusted, it can be adjusted. So all those stuffs we will do it in future. So thank you.